Hi, have you seen before Omega French press in action? Before we start, you can subscribe my channel and thank you very much. Let's get started. And one more thing, last week I showed you why it's worth it to buy French press. And the link to the video is above my head. I hope there is. Today will be different because will be French press in action. So let's do it now. Okay, so let me arrange the camera that I can show you our star. This is French press, right? I'm really sorry that you don't see my face right now, but I just wanted that you will focus how it works. And how you use this is you need coffee. So I look for my coffee. It's good, any coffee which is grounded coffee, like this. The medium is the best, but I have this. And I use it like 1.5. What now? Now what you need to do, we need to put boiling water, but remember that must to be boiling but not straight away. Wait 1 to 2 minutes and then put to your French press. Okay, here we go. And now I'm gonna close and wait. Let's say we'll wait 5 minutes. But I set up 5 minutes on my watch. Don't know that you can see, but it's counting. Okay, we are almost there. So that means that now after 5 minutes we can pour up this and mix in our coffee. Once we mix it, when it's done mixing, we just close and press. And we can wait for a while. Look at your coffee. And now you just need mug, of course, and you can put your coffee to your mug. And now it's me again and my face, and I just show my face because I just want to mention that the aroma from the French press coffee, it's so strong, so good. It's really good to make in this coffee. Now my last step, if someone don't like, sorry, it's milk. It's not sponsor product, I don't want to sponsor milk. I just want milk to my coffee. So let me add Of course, if you like sugar, you can add sugar to your coffee. I never will like, so I almost done. I just mix it and let me try. This is really coffee. Perfect, perfect, and once again, perfect. You don't believe me? So just search in my description. There will be link Omega French Press Express, and once you order properly like I show you, and you will feel the same taste. So that is the French press machine, and this is the one which can make you very, 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 very good coffee, right? So once again, you can subscribe my channel, and this helps me a lot. And thank you for watching me today, and see you in next video next week. Bye.